Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Let's see who's in the house today. Uh, Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a little poo-poo day yesterday. Yesterday, Bitcoin was a naughty boy, pulled back. Oh boy, most altcoins got wrecked. Most altcoins got wrecked. Some coins keep going up. The coins we trade are keep going up, keep pumping. That's alt season. When Bitcoin dump and some coins keep going up. The money going into altcoins. All right. That's Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is at resistance. Okay. It's at resistance here. Can definitely pull back or chop here for a couple of days, maybe. It may be more. It could be a 1 day dip. It could be a multiple days pullback. We assume it's not going to crash now. Okay, that's what we assume. We assume it's going to maintain above the 50-day and the 200 AMA because we are in a very bullish market environment. That's a shakeout from the all-time high resistance level. Obviously, we're going to get a shakeout, and it's actually consolidating for, that's what we believe, a very strong breakout trade later on, maybe in a week, maybe in a day, maybe in a couple of weeks, to break above this level and, go into the blow off top type of a rally, probably into November, maybe December. Let's see. That's Bitcoin. Again, if your coins dumped a lot, that means your coins are garbage. Okay, these red days on Bitcoin show you if your coins are good or garbage. Okay. Let's look if someone is in the house. Mr. Glovan, how you doing? How you doing? Good morning. Morning, man. Morning, everybody. Let's look on Zebek. Zebek, for example, taking its time, actually got cooked from the downtrend, okay? We told you there is nothing to be excited over Zebek under this downward trend. All right, we told you it might take its time. If all your funds are in Zebek, you are wasting the bull run. And Zebek is just one example. Again, we're bullish on Zebek. We believe Q4 is going to explode. But as long as it's under the downward trend, there is nothing to be excited about for Zebek. Okay? Nothing. It will not pump under the downward trend. That's the truth. That's the reality. That's a fact. You break the downward trend, we believe it's go nuclear. It will go nuclear. We will wait for it. That's we waiting with bunch of cash for the breakout once it happened. At the moment it's pulling back, we had a position. We hit multiple targets on Zedek. We bought it around here. Hit multiple targets, max gain 30% roughly. Now it's pulling back, might stop me out. And that's okay. I have other coins that are flying. And again, I'm gonna be waiting, watching, and buying the breakout. But me, the difference between me and other people that trade crypto or hodl crypto, they miss out on the entire altcoin bull run now. And I will show you what's going on the altcoin market. Even while Bitcoin is dumping. Even while Bitcoin is dumping, our VIP, printing. Okay, so really, Zebek is cooking. I think mid-October, late October, we're gonna have the breakout. I might be wrong, might happen today, but probably not, man. You get a big rejection here. Look at the stochastic. Stochastic is rolling down. Again, daily on a daily chart, we still believe you have a weekly confirmation of a reversal, but we need the breakout. We need the breakout. So probably next week or maybe in 2 weeks' time, we might break out. Let's see again. But you don't want to see is losing this level. If it loses this level, that's not good. And it might need more time for the breakout. We will monitor, we will be watching Zebek, obviously, as always, watching it. And yeah, waiting for the breakout. Probably going to bounce. It's probably going to create again. Told people yesterday might do a head and shoulders here, an inverse head and shoulders. So might create the right shoulder. If it will do something symmetrical, maybe you got another 5 to 8 days to create the right shoulder before the neckline to break. We shall see. Smash the like, subscribe, smash the like, ask questions, because we're gonna wrap it up very shortly today if we not have questions. What else do we have here? Look, that's Zebek. Pretty deep retrace. Shouldn't drop below this level. Here, around the 40s. Okay, shouldn't lose the 40. If it lose the 40s, it's gonna be annoying. Still can turn up very bullish, but can be a more chop for Zebek. Look at BNB, for example. BNB keep going up. You can see yesterday, red candle for Bitcoin didn't really affect BNB. Okay, didn't affect. You had this chop. Bitcoin now holding. Maybe will bounce. BNB should go higher. I don't have BNB. I have BNB plays. I'll show you my favorite BNB play at the moment. Show you my favorite BNB play is Cake. Cake is the DEX on BNB. Look at Cake. That's yesterday dip on Bitcoin. Bam, look at the rebound over the last 4-hour candle. The last one? Yeah. The last 4-hour candle. Look at the green one. Look at the rebound on Cake. Cake is looking extremely bullish for me. Look at the big picture for Cake, man. Most people don't even know about it, don't even watch it, and they're gonna miss out. They're gonna miss out a major breakout. Major. If you see that chart, this is a monthly chart, and you're not getting like, holy mama. Oh boy, you need to join the membership, man, because we're going to make a lot of ROI with Cake. Cake is going to make us extremely happy people. Oh my God, I will show you a few more coins. Make sure to smash the like, guys. It really help the channel. Give me a second, bro. Ugh. Even when we're sick, we work 24/7 for the members to print. Look at Cake. Just want to show you. Give me a second, man. My fucking nose is cooked. Look. Look at Cake, man. Look at Cake. Look where it's at. Now look, I'll show you. Give me a second. I'll show you our trade alert of Cake. Where is this baby? Let me show you the trade alert from the membership, man. People think we're playing games. This is working season now. This is the oof. So much ROI, man. So much ROI in the last 7 days, 8 days. It's unbelievable. Look at Cake. That's the first trade on Cake from the membership. You can see shared October 3rd. We recommended the members to buy Cake. I'll show you the setup. That's the setup October 3rd. You can see here, buy the break above 334. Look at cake. Look at cake, man. 334. That was here, man. Bought some here. This one, okay. Here. Up on it, 40% currently and counting. And we had another one. This one, we bought the dip on the pullback. Kind of dip, you know, the bounce. You can see at 356, buy now. Shared it on October 6th right here. Look at cake. 356. One entry, 40%. Another entry, 30%. Man, it pays. It pays to be in the VIP. It's super cheap relative to what you get. All the support, all the trade alerts. That, man, in one trade, you can get a lifetime membership in one trade. And more than that. So yeah, man. Watch Keiki, because Keiki is a mega banger, okay? It's, ooh, look at that. They just listed it on Kraken. Wow. Not just listed, you know, like in May, but still. Look at this chart. Look at this chart, man. Sorry, the line chart. People don't know what they're doing, man, in crypto. We know. We know, my friend. We know. If you don't make ROI now, you don't know. Better join a service that knows. It will change your life. Look at that. It's still in the accumulation range. For 4 years accumulation range. Once it breaks the accumulation range, it's going to melt faces all around the globe. People will not understand what's going on with cake. Telling you, man, saw it last cycle, saw it previous cycle, saw it multiple times. These things almost never fail. Let's continue. What do we have? We have some questions here. Kaspa, you see another guy. You see, you losing the entire bull market, man. You losing the entire bull market. You lost the entire bull market because of your Kaspa rubbish. Man, what are you doing, man? Stop holding Kaspa. Join VIP, man. Where's my VIP banner? Man, stop holding Kaspa. Join my VIP. Look what you're doing. Nothing, man. You're losing. And time goes by. You lose. And time goes by. And then, you know, sooner or later, in the next month or two, Bitcoin will top out and the cycle will end. If you're not printing now, I don't know. You need to quit crypto, man. Really, it's an honest take, but really, you need to quit crypto because you don't know what you're doing, man. You get cooked. Kaspa is cooking you, man. You know, Kaspa is cooking you. Watch my videos on Kaspa to tell you exactly when to buy. You know, now you don't want to touch it, man. It's garbage. What price prediction? What coin? What the F? Who's this guy? Oh, price prediction. What a clown, man. 10 cent. 10 cent. 10 cent. It's say thank you, God. Looks algo. Okay. 117. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. If you focus on BTC tops, you're gonna miss out the whole altcoin season, man. Oh boy. Drop a like, subscribe, share it on your X, drop a question. We're gonna wrap it up shortly. We need some questions here. That's CAS, which is garbage. Oh, look, let me show you another trade we took in the membership. Look at this baby, soon. It's another example of coins that go in bananas regardless of Bitcoin. Soon, October 1st, buy now. Price was 40 cents. We had another trade on soon. Buy the break of 56 on October 3rd. Look at soon, man, okay? Look how easy it is to trade crypto if you know what you're doing. All right, that was our first entry, 40 cents. That was our second entry, 56. Look how easy it is to trade crypto. Max gains 150%. This is officially now our best trade since October 1st, gains wise and price percentage wise. The best trade is soon. It's actually outperformed the jelly trade. Now look, 145%, and this one is already up 77%. What your coin is doing? Absolutely jack shit. It's actually getting wrecked now when Bitcoin is pulling back. See the difference, man. See the difference. See it? The difference is so clear, man. Stop thinking. People think. Don't think. Go to the experts. Join the VIP. And stop thinking. Just follow. You go into 100x your own results, your own rubbish result. You have no idea what you're doing. Join VIP. See for yourself. Try for 1 month. If you don't like it, cancel it, man. But now, man, you don't know nothing. You don't make nothing. It's a waste of opportunity. I don't know. Give me the ticker name. I don't know what you want. You give me the name of the coin. I will look at it. Now I cannot look at it. I don't know what you want. John Glover, is there a specific indicator used to tell you that the top is in? I don't. 50-week MA. If it breaks below it, that's it. At the moment, it's above it. I don't give an F. I don't give an F. I trade it. I trade individual coins, bullish coins, and that's what working, as you can see, Mr. Gloven. Just follow me. Don't think. Don't think. Follow me. Follow the professor, man. Why to think? Why? You can go have fun with your family, enjoy life, spend the money, buy real estate. Don't think. Follow, you know? Continuation for Zeke. Let's look on Zeke. Probably, I believe it will continue, but I believe that this is a significant top and it might take a while before it continue. So I'm not a buyer, man. Not now. If it will bottom, for sure, if we show you, let's say, okay, bottoming out and start rising. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Now? No. Man, Mr. Mike, Mr. Mike, don't think again. Join the team. If you trade with us this quarter, you're gonna be in shock of what's gonna happen to your portfolio. Shock. You shock. You're gonna be like, what? What was doing all this time in crypto? I could just follow CM, and my wife will be flipped. Even my wife. Your entire life is going to be changed. Try it out, man. Try it out, man. Follow the pros, man. What is your win loss with the trade you're taking? Man, at the moment, I'll tell you now from the back of my hand, I don't calculate it. But at the moment, we take tons of trades. Okay, trades come in all the time. At the moment, our win rate is around, something like 80% is a winner. For me, a winner can be a triple, a double, a 50%, a 40%, and can also be even a one target hit 10%, and then it come back to break even, you get stopped out. So for me, every gain is a winner, obviously, and also for every trader that respects himself. And yeah, we have insane win rate now in this alt season. Insane. Obviously, there are some failures. There are some coins that breaking out, coming back down, stop us out, because it's a Ponzi market. But, you take a little loss, 5, 10%, and you move on. Now, the other trades, the Soon, the Cake, the MNT, the Zik, the Dash, man, I had so many, the Jelly, the Take, all these bangers. We had already around like 8-10 trades that are up more than 40%. We had two doubles, which more than a double. Soon is double and a half at the moment. Jelly was a double. We had 50% instant pump in 3 hours, and many of these, all these trades completely offset the 1 or 2 trades that hit your break even or your little stop loss or a little loss. That's a unbelievable. We have now, man, in an alt season like that, our winning average is insane, man. It's like 80%, 90%. Ask Joe Gloven. Man. Gloven, tell us exactly what's your win rate roughly from the inside of the VIP. Gloven is a lifetime member. Tell us, man, roughly. You don't need to be precise. Tell us. Give me a second, man. Okay, Treb. Let's look on Treb for Mr. Road. Treb? I think he meant Treb. Man, there is no such thing in trading view. It's probably only on dexes. We don't trade on dexes. I cannot look at it. If it's not on trading view, it's probably a scam. Probably a rug pull in the making, man. Don't buy rug pulls, man. It's a bull market. Don't buy rug pulls, man. You're gonna get yourself cooked, man, buying crap. Not even on trading view, for God's sake. TA on BTC and ETH, I believe it's good to long here. Go for it, man. Yeah, man, it's good. You can long them, but man, you need to long the altcoins that are flashing strength. They can consolidate. BTC and ETH can consolidate couple of days, maybe more, while altcoins are going bam, bam, bam. Oh boy. ETH, we have a long. Yeah, ETH, we have a long. Bitcoin, we don't trade Bitcoin these days now, man. Bitcoin is cooked, man. Francisco, Bitcoin, how high it will go? 150, 170, 180, 90, 200. Are you here for holding a rubbish orange coin for 2 months for a, what is it, like 60% move? Maybe? No. We are here for Berber. It's an altcoin season now. Meaning Bitcoin will underperform. Altcoins will overperform. Oh boy, you have so much to learn. Francisco. OJ. What is the first breakout target for when ZBCN break the downward? Thanks. Man. Zebek. Look, man, first of all, once it breaks the downward trend, okay, yeah, the first target is here. The second one is this one. Okay, you have like, you can, second target is there. That's the major targets, 59 and 69. You break those, you want to take some profits, obviously, on the pump, but you want to keep a big runner to swing trade it. That means to hodl it, midterm hold till the next parabolic top. Just like we did here. We bought the breakout, bam, it went bananas. We took some profits here on the pump because that's our strategy. And then we held the majority of the runner of the bag. Once it topped, and we actually told people on YouTube, it is likely topping out, man. You can see the topping tail. We cashed it in. You can see it made an M shape, M top, broke below it. That was our stop. Bye-bye on 55. Amazing profit we had on ZBCN here. That was our best ZBCN trade for the year. Max gains was 160 on a big bag. Unbelievable. We also dumped some, at the highs, but the majority of the trade was closed on 160%, which was woo. So yeah, we believe once the downward trend, we might get a move like that. Probably slower, but maybe bigger. You know what I mean? A bigger ROI, but a slower pace, which is what we want. So yeah, you don't want to close everything. But yeah, again, you don't want to be waiting for it to, just on ZBCN, because now you have tons of opportunities doing doubles, triples. You can grow the account now. Let's say you have 10K in your account. Let's say you have 100K in your account. Let's say ZBCN breakout in 2 weeks. You come trade with us with the 100K. We're going to probably flip it very nicely with the ROIs, with the trades, maybe to 120, maybe to 150, maybe to 200. We'll see how the trades, again, it's up to you as well, how you execute the trades. It takes time till you understand how to buy breakouts, and stuff like that. It takes a second, really, but some people takes them a little while. But then once, instead of waiting for ZBCN to load up with that amount, you load up with that amount. Okay, you get me. And even if ZBCN failed to break, okay, it can do that, break, come down, chop more, and then break. Could be, you don't have to break. I expect it to break, but CM don't run the world. I don't run the world. I just trade it. So again, as long as it's under the downtrend, your job, grow the account with other trades. Join VIP. Don't think, man. Really, don't think. Join VIP. Test it out, and you see for yourself. See for yourself, man. That's the best thing to do. If you want to check something, check it for yourself. Where is this guy? Oh, look, Gloven just made a post. Guys, listen up. This is lifetime member from our membership, okay? Average, I think, 70 to 80% if the market is not being a bitch. Of trades breakout, as you have indicated to us. The losses being minimized makes me feel very comfortable taking trades. See? And also, every day we do market updates. So even if Bitcoin want to poop the party, we tell the members, hey, we go over all the positions, and we tell them, hey, move stops on this one higher. It might do a fake out. Move stops this one to break even. And then you completely minimize the downside risk, okay, with your stops. You got to trade with stops. That's what we do. We trade with stops, and it's amazing. It's very amazing. Thank you, Mr. Gloven. I'm not sure I can get it because YouTube don't like me so much, the super chat, but thanks, man. Thanks for the super chat. Man, get yourself the upcoming bootcamp that we're gonna do this month. It's gonna be unbelievable bootcamp, man. Unbelievable. We're gonna share all the bangers list, all the strategies, everything. Obviously, you're gonna have live trading, all your questions, anything you need, live with us, with me and Jomo. It's gonna be unbelievable. So get yourself and we're gonna don't buy now. We're gonna send you the discount for our members. Obviously, our members get 50% off on our webinars for life, and our elite members get 100% discount. That means they get a free access to all our webinars. So don't buy now, but we're gonna send you a link with the discount for the upcoming webinar. What else do we have here? What is the first? Oh, it's this one. We saw it. Aster. I accidentally 40x new coin. Do 10x, 20x leverage. Okay, man. Leverage will get you cooked. I'll tell you that. Mr. Francisco, I tell you that leverage will get you cooked. Again, if you trade with $4, that's okay, man. You can get cooked. But if you trade with 1, 2, 10, 20 Ks with leverage, you're cooked, man. It's just a matter of time. You're going to get cooked. That's it. market will cook you for sure, man. 100%. All right. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. TWT, it's another banger. We trade, obviously. We work, man. What do you think? We miss TWT. Bought it here, man. Now it looks like it can continue. Absolutely can continue. Bought it around here. 139. At the moment, nothing major. We also have an add-on trade on TWT I shared today. I think it was TWT. Yeah. Shared today. We always add to our winners. Everything with risk management. Life is amazing. TWT. Let's look on the big picture. Oh boy, so bullish, man. Oof, that's the trade. Let me just take a clean chart. Wow. What a trade. Wow. Man, once it's clear, these levels here, the 188, bam, it's probably gonna run higher to these areas. Then it should clear that level. This coin can be one of the bangers. This could be a big banger, man. Big banger. Look at this chart, man. It had no real market cycle. You had this pump on the bear market. I remember it. We traded it in the bear market. On the FTX collapse, this was the only coin that was pumping because people were withdrawing their funds from FTX or stuff like that, and they throw it on the TWT wallet, the trust wallet. So the price went nuclear, and yeah, that was it. Now this thing is, anyway. I don't want to jinx it, but anyway, another winning trade for us, man. Woohoo! Life is good. Manu, ZBCN card. What is Manu, man? Come on, man. We looked at it, I think. We looked at it. Yeah, man. Go buy it, man. If you look at this crap, man. It just did a big pee on you. See the pee? Pee. Doing a pee on you. Probably going to come back all the way down, man. Maybe we'll continue. What's the volume on this crap? Let's see. This is a coin that probably you want to avoid, my opinion. Manu, let's look on this. Why trade this rubbish? You can trade ZBCN. Oh, actually have some volume. Oh, it's on Mexi. But what is it? 300K volume. Come on, man. Even a little girl can move the market. Are you kidding me? My God, man. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, subscribe. Really, do yourself a favor. Stop wasting time. Join the VIP service, man. Trades are printing left, right, and center, man. Members are happy. Life is amazing, man. Really, check it out. The VIP will change your life, man. You stay on YouTube, you subscribe to all these clowns membership, that tell you, oh, hold it till 10 years. This market is fast. This market is for professional traders. This alt season is going to be over probably in a month or two. You don't want to miss out. This is where life-changing gains happening. This is where coins going into their perpetual growth moment, when they just go once they break out. You don't want to miss out. And you will miss out if you're not in the membership, because most clowns on Twitter or X just missing out on the best bangers. Why? They're not professional. They're buying cooked coins. We don't buy cooked coins. We buy alpha. We buy the most powerful coins, the ones that are breaking out, the lowest risk coins, because when you trade the market leaders, you actually minimize risk because you buy the market leaders. They go up, not going down. Most people buy the market losers, so they just lose instead of gaining.